I know need be. Hey everyone, how are you doing? I know INICT दोबारा postpone हो गया again and again, and like now it has become some kind of loop or that vicious circle. पता नहीं क्यों postpone हो रहा है again and again. I know this time like we people only did it. I mean the group of NEET PG aspirants and this INICT aspirants only did it.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
I mean yeah, everybody had their reason to do it and everybody has the freedom to go about it in a democratic country. So yes. But only thing which comes in my mind is like I feel there were a lot of people who did not have any genuine problem and who were not actually rank holders in an exam such as AIMS, because to get into a AIMS or INICT exam you need to be getting a really good rank. So if you are not getting good rank, अगर तुम्हारी इतनी अच्छी rank नहीं आ रही है but you are still supporting this just to get for the fun, I think that's where it it's kind of gets sad. I just hope it doesn't happen again. And also there were a lot of problems from AIM side also, like not giving e-pass to people. Like this is not how the exam should be conducted. But anyways, जो होना था वो हो गया. The exam has been postponed कि एक महीना है now, to maybe use this month to get into NICT, because I feel everybody has the chance to get into this institute right now. The amount of time they've given us now. So yes, I am motivated to use this month quite effectively. So this is the morning after the NEET PG or INICT postponement. Right now the COVID cases in my place has gone drastically down. Like I mean, there's negligible cases of COVID right now. So I'm choosing to go to library, because library जाने से क्या एक rhythm और flow आता है. Otherwise घर में बैठे बैठे you just sit at one place and do not able to do much, I feel. तो मैंने I've decided to go to library. So आज I'm going day 1 to the library. Let's see how it goes. Oh, so successfully I have cleaned my room a little bit, and now I have to start studying. In morning I told कि कि मैं library जाऊँगा, but till now I haven't gone to library. It's 5:30 now. I don't know, there is some resistance after this postponement again, but I have to come over this resistance क्योंकि एक बार flow set हो चुका है. After that break of 1 month after NEET PG postponement और AIMS के postponement से पहले जो break था उसमें I didn't touch books. Now I have got at least 50 to 60% of my flow back because of this 15 days studying. Now I really don't want to lose it. I am going to start studying. It's just कि now it started raining outside in my place, and it's raining after so long. I don't really feel like studying, but yeah. And also I also feel like cleaning my Almira also now. It's just to get that feel of a new start, that new 30-day sprint again. I mean, it should not have happened. The postpone होना नहीं चाहिए था. The exam should have happened according to me. Like if the decision of AIMS would have been better and we and people would not have filed PIL, then I think exam should have happened. But हुआ नहीं, that is a different thing. But let's see. Like एक Almira clean करूँगा, then I'll start studying. I don't know. It doesn't happen to everyone, I feel, but for me, if I want to start my day, even though it's like evening now, it's not even day, I just want my things to be at place and my room to be clean, then I can just move forward in my mind. I don't think it happens with everyone. I know a lot of people, like even in hostel, जो मेरा roommate था, I had this habit of cleaning my room every week. और जो मेरा roommate था, like he was from Kerala, and he never used to clean anything at all. I don't remember he even cleaned his room in 5 years. I mean, there's nothing bad about it. Everyone is just different. But I remember he might be getting irritated because of this. But anyways, let's see. But last thing, Almira. Then I'll start studying dermatology today. So let's open the Oh, everywhere is just books. The life of a medical in short. This is books, which is jumbled upon each other. There's no clarity in mind like these books. This is actually the explanation of a life of a medical student, isn't it? The books which are jumbled upon each other. That's how our mind is. Thoughts are organized in our mind. Let's see what is down. Oh, what is this? Oh, 100 papers. Where did this come from?
मैं रहूं सारी रात इन द बार, दारू पीऊं लगातार, एक आधी सब पी लेते हैं, मैं तो पीऊं बोतल चार.
Actually, this bottle is given by my father to me. Like, it is left out drink which is left in the bottle. So one day he gave me just out of randomness. Seeing me studying so much, and it is weird and good at the same time. Good is like he's giving me this bottle, and weird is like after seeing me studying so much, he gave me this bottle. So it's weird and good at the same time. It's like some 2-3 pegs are left. उसके अंदर मतलब 2-3 drink बची हुई हैं to drink that. But the weird part is, like, from the day I got it, I didn't even touch it. From the day I got it, I didn't touch it. I didn't feel like drinking it. Isn't it weird? तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि why it is happening. You feel like doing things which people or you resist yourself to don't do it. If you just liberate yourself or like अपने आप को free कर दो, you can do that, you can do this. You even may not do a lot of things which you think in your mind कि तुम करना चाहोगे. Isn't it like a great what do you say, understanding or जो भी वर्ड होता है इंग्लिश में इसका, आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिकॉल दैट वर्ड. लाइक इतनी अच्छी नहीं है मेरी इंग्लिश एक्चुअली. It's just because of like living in Bangalore for 5 years, I've learned some English. Otherwise, if you see me in first year, you'll feel like, oh man, I can't even speak one word of English. So yes. So now is the time to clean this Almira. And after that, 120% I'm studying, whatever. So this is how it looks like. I mean, the rain effect. Oh. So beautiful. I mean, it feels like Bangalore vibes after so long. ऐसे बाल सेट करने का मज़ा अलग होता नहीं. I just feel कि मेरे थोड़े लंबे बाल होते हैं, like some Hrithik Roshan or something. Like इस weather में it's just to do like this, it just gives that very amazing feeling which I'm missing right now. It's just becoming doctor, you just lose your hair. That is the price you pay to become a doctor.